Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fit a sink overflow like this one. This is a LAMONA sink, so this is the overflow bits. I've put the waste in already, sealed both sides with silicone. Some people don't, but with these ones I do. So we've got these parts, we'll put that in there so we don't lose anything. And we've got this, whoop, the overflow pipe. So what you're going to do, you make sure that you've got the right end. So one end's tighter than the other on this one. So you know that that end doesn't go on to there, it's that end. You can use a bit of soap or silicone, or you can just push that right down into that, so it's nice and tight. So that's one side done. We're going to do this side after, but for now, what we're going to do on this one, you don't need any silicone. So you've got this rubber that sits nicely in here, like so, sits nice in there. That goes behind here, the washer. I've seen before people put the washer on the front. That means there's nothing sealing it behind. So this one, you need to push that in there so it's tight and it doesn't fall out. So if you got it under the sink, you'll see me through the hole under the sink and line it up like so. So you want it covering all of the sink like so. Then you want to get yourself your screw, make sure it's long enough, which this one is, and you also want your overflow plate. I do mine so the indent sits inside the sink like so. It also has a different finish. Just put your screw through that like so. Put your screw through, make sure that's lined up again, and this screw has to go through straight. Because it's a plastic back, you can cross thread this quite easily, so I normally go anti-clockwise until I feel the threads all line up, and then you should be able to screw it in with your fingers. Double checking that you're covering all of the hole. It will start to get tight. This is when you need your screwdriver. Make sure it's all lined up, and then you can do this screw up all the way. Make sure you're definitely covering the hole, which I am there, and tighten that up. You want this quite tight, it will start to pull in, that's absolutely fine. And you want the back bit looking straight down. This is what it looks like underneath. Got it coming straight down. With it coming straight down, you can now extend this so it will go straight into here. But first you want your nut to go on first. So you've got your nut. Tilt it up so it doesn't fall off, he says. So you put your nut and rubber in there, put your nut on, then get your rubber on. It's quite hard with one hand. You should get there. You can also push that in there, like so. So it goes in. Yeah, so it goes. So it's now past the. Now you don't want it too far, just enough. Then you want to put your nut on, line it up, and screw that on like so. It's very important that this flexi doesn't sag, otherwise it will collect loads of debris in it and start to smell. So if you can, make sure you get that up, fall in as close so the water doesn't sit here. Do this up hand tight. With that done, you're now done. You just got to connect your trap and whatever else, pretend you're done. Then you just got to test it, give it 5 drop tests, fill the sink right up. Make sure you test this overflow and this connection here. But for now, that is how you connect your sink, basket waste and overflow. I hope this helps. Please like the video, subscribe for more amazing content.